Begin by coming into kneeling position with your hands beside your hips and your torso upright. Breathe gently. Stretch your right leg in the right direction. Your ankles should be in line with your left knee and torso. Straighten your right knee and grip your foot firmly on the floor. Inhale and stretch your arms sideways on either side of the trunk. Exhale and first lift up at the waist and then move your trunk over to the right side towards the stretched right leg. Your forearm and wrist should rest on the shin bone and ankle. Your left palm goes overhead as far as you can with straight arms. Release slowly, bringing up your arms and bringing in the right leg so you are back in a kneeling position.